Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the police force in Jamaica getting some new handheld ticket machines and handheld printers. So you know that Jamaica is putting in a new digital ticketing system, meaning they're not going to write in the book anymore. They're going to use a handheld device and enter the information and then print the ticket and give you. Also means that the ticket can be emailed to you as well. So the government has tested this system and it worked. So they're now implementing it island-wide for the February 1st deadline. And February 1st is when they're putting in the new traffic laws come into effect in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives an update and more information as to what's going on, and then we discuss it after. The Ministry of National Security has handed over 750 traffic ticket management system TTMS handsets and 750 mobile handheld printers to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. This is the first installment of devices towards nationwide implementation of the fully digitized ticketing system. The ceremony was held at the office of the Commissioner of Police in St. Andrew. Smart Android devices and portable printers are to be used to facilitate the electronic issuance of traffic tickets and allow for electronic recording of tickets. This will enable police officers to reference driver and vehicle information, including ticket history, outstanding tickets, and warrants. In his address, National Security Minister Honorable Dr. Horace Chang said the TTMS replaces the yellow ticket book, which was inefficient and prone to errors. The system itself was riddled with challenges. The technology identified 21 points of failure in our ticketing system. He said, noting that these include poor penmanship, which affected the legibility of tickets, data entry errors, late submission of tickets, among other things. The initiative was piloted in Kingston and St. Andrew between January 1 and March 31, 2022, with 70 devices and yielded a 90% error reduction. This sends a signal that the pilot worked and worked well. We are now going to execute. We are going to give enough police officers to take it island-wide, and we will continue to take it island-wide, Dr. Chang informed. The TTMS is a centralized, web-based platform designed to improve traffic ticket management from the point of issuance to either payment of the fines at tax offices or adjudication in court. All traffic tickets issued with the devices will instantly be uploaded to a centralized database which is accessible to the JCF, the traffic courts, and all other government agencies. The minister noted that the Smart Check e-ticketing system will be used along with the TTMS. The Smart Check system provides officers with the ability to issue a printed ticket on the spot with information of the offense, fine, court date, and other information. The system also allows for officers to instantly check motorists if they are persons of interest or wanted, as well as information pertaining to fitness, registration, insurance, and other personal data. Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson said the initiative forms part of efforts to digitize policing activities, as well as to improve public order and traffic management. We are equipping our officers and modernizing how we do business, not just in this area but in a number of other areas. The significant number of devices being added, and with a lot of information at the fingertips of our officers, we will be able to better keep people safe and keep all road users safe from harm, he said. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. So let us know what you think about it. Leave your comments in the section below. I think this is a very good system and it's proven technology. It has been used around the world. Jamaica is just putting in the system now, but it's been used in places like America, Canada, and it works. It's proven technology, so you have to give the government credit for really going forward with the system, and it will definitely help. And also, something that the article didn't mention, but there's a web portal you can go to log in to see how many points you have, how many tickets you have, if you have any outstanding tickets, and you can see for yourself when your ticket was paid, and you can get a driving report and all those nice things. So this is definitely a very good system, and we'll keep you guys updated as to how it rolls out. Alright guys, thanks for having the discussion with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.